You recently joined a new company. You accompany your manager to a client presentation. Your manager is a personal friend of the prospective client. After you arrive, your manager asks you to deliver the presentation. He feels that it will be a good learning experience, and if you make some mistakes, it will not be a major issue.
During your presentation, the client asks you if your product has any disadvantages. You are aware that there are certain drawbacks compared to some of the products of your competitors. How will you respond?
Honesty, handled with confidence and strategy, is your strongest asset in this situation. When a client asks about disadvantages, they're really testing your credibility. If you dodge the question or pretend the product is flawless, you lose trust instantly. If you acknowledge limitations and show how you manage them, you gain respect. Here's how you can respond in a way that is transparent, professional, and persuasive. 1. Acknowledge the question confidently. This shows you're not rattled and that you welcome transparency. You might say, "That's a great question, and I appreciate you asking it." This sets a positive tone.
2. Be honest, but frame the drawbacks strategically. You don't need to hide the truth, but you do need to contextualize it. For example, like any product in the market, ours has a few areas where competitors may offer different features. For instance, some competitors focus heavily on X, while our product prioritizes Y. This shows you're informed and not defensive.
3. Pivot to your strengths. Immediately connect the limitation to a benefit your product does deliver exceptionally well. Something like, "While we may not offer the same level of X, our clients consistently tell us that our Y and Z capabilities make a much bigger difference in their day-to-day operations." This reframes the conversation around value, not comparison. 4. Emphasize reliability and long-term support. Clients often care more about partnership than perfection. You could add, "What we focus on is delivering consistent performance and strong support. Our goal is to make sure you get a solution that works smoothly and grows with your needs." This reinforces trust. 5. Invite further questions. This shows confidence and keeps the conversation open. For example, "If there's a specific feature or concern you'd like to explore, I'd be happy to walk through it." This positions you as a knowledgeable, transparent partner. Why this approach works. 1. You answer honestly without weakening your position. 2. You demonstrate maturity and product knowledge. 3. You build credibility with both the client and your manager. 4. You turn a tough question into an opportunity to highlight strengths. Handled well, this moment can actually make your presentation more convincing, not less.